We're gonna go see the puppy.
No, wait, don't. I've got to make them more calm. Missy, yeah.
Hello, Missy.
Ben.
No, Ben.
Don't let them do Missy.
No jumping up.
Stop chewing.
My babies. My babies. And Bane has... No, Bane. Don't jump up at me. Them two are left. The oldest one, hello, Bane. With your mouth in the camera.
Behave.
No biting, Missy. No biting. Wait. I'm going to go get a drink. So, happy Mother's Day. Hi, guys. Okay, so I wish your mums a very happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. So, this is the first thing that I really want. This is my old favourite juice. Tropical. Tropical. Last night I had like 2 cups and then I really felt like I was really ill. I need to get I'm just watching this cup out. Alright. Here you go. Going to open this and hold up this. Wow, that's a lot. Good.
Yeah.
We both can. You're both watching this. Hello. Hey. Okay. Why do you want to watch as well? Right, Leah. Leah's here. So go get him. Go get him. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Let's go get him, boys. Get him, Missy. Get him, Missy. Missy's been like nibbling Josh, so be careful with Missy. I'm just gonna chill out. Oh no, not Missy! Well, my feet don't. Yeah, it's just lick. Guys, did you see her tongue? Bean has just come up and licked you. Lick the camera. It's Bean. Tube your iPod case. Whoever made... Right. I'm going to kill the one... Right, 1 minute, guys. I have to wipe you. Then my camera's gone all blurry because Bean has just come and licked it. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Leo, we're going to have to be all blurry for some reason. We're going to have to be all blurry. because Bane. Yeah. Right, guys, I've got some dates for you to show you. Right. Go away. I'm chilling out here. Do you mind? I'm chilling. I've been having a busy morning doing stuff for my mother. I've been in the shower. I got dressed. I'm married in a 7 pair of shorts, so it's massive. This is the worst day ever. It's Sunday. Told you it's more fun when you play with dogs instead of on your Xbox, is it? Alright, we're gonna go see the pups. No, instead of chilling out. Right, we're gonna go see. Yeah, okay. Just get my coat. If I remember which one's my coat. I don't even know which one's my coat. It's all my coats. Oh, you know what? There's bananas here. I hate bananas. Right, we only get a toy out if I remember. Oh my gosh. I'm a puppy. Right, guys. Oh, Missy, you alright? This just slipped over there. Leo, come back here. Right. Oh, somebody pooed. Oh, the children don't read. Careful where you stand, they might read. Make sure they don't read on the carpet. Because look, Ben read on the carpet. Yeah? Now you're gonna just watch the puppy. And Leo. Hi, guys. I will be wanting like some packages because I would really love to open some packages and stuff. So yeah. The boys versus girls. Come on. Boys versus girls. Come on, Missy. Come on, Missy. I'm trying to separate them. Stop. Fight. You. No biting. Spin. Spin.
Listen. Leo, get him off of me so I can put this thing on.
You going?
Missy's going.
Where?
To her honor.
Oh, that's so. Hello, Mama. That's Mama. It's Mama.
I'm making my
Windows are dirty. Right. I need to do it on front. No, Fifi. No, don't lick my hand. Just be in the shower.
Get.
Hang on. He's licking me. Right, I'm going to go chill out again. Because, right. Oh, them are just so annoying. Oh, you know what? Yeah. I'm going to go in my rocking chair. That's it.
Top
Where are they gone? Where are they gone? Was this tree? And then just disappeared. Where's that for? Oh,
You
for
know it's for.
Grandma.
That's right.
Oh, yeah. Big card. Okay, let's see the big card. This all.
It's in the envelope.
Right, look. That's the big card.
Bean.
It's massive. La 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 la
Oh, you
la
go,
la.
I didn't say put the lead on. I says go to the van and get me my cup.
Leo, Lydia, go upstairs.
Please, you numpty.
Ow!
You fucking stop it.
Missy. And Ben.
Don't make let her in there.
Ah, no jumping. Careful, don't.
I feel like I'm ripping something away from the little baby because look at her, she knows every time.
Got a baby in there.
Don't chew it. Don't chew it. Right, guys, tell her. Don't chew it. Daddy's chewing it. She's chewing it, Mummy. She's chewing it.
Yeah, that was that.
Daddy.
Last week.
Rocket.
Yeah.
Daddy.
That was soft.
Obviously, they need cleaning. They've never been used. They've just been sat in a box.
Daddy.
Jen.
No. Don't chew it. Don't chew it. No, stop chewing it. No, don't bite me. This is crazy. This is like a dog.
Stop standing on my feet!
This is like a doggy life. Right, this is my... Ah! Ah, she sat on me. Guys, she just like...
Crazy baby! Crazy baby!
She just sat on my head. Like baby.
Crazy baby!
Dad, did Ben on we in the carpet?
Yeah, I need you to stop for me a second. Stop recording.